Hello and welcome back to our series. I hardly maintained this previous video. Let's make df is equal to pd dot data frame, and we will pass here data frame, and we will pass here who is previous. This is dictionary. Let's make 2012. This is of sales 2013 of sales 2 2014 of sales 3 for this 3 and 2015 for sales 4. Let's see, we are getting data frame. In this lecture we are going to delete some part here. If you want to delete some part, let's say that here you can delete this all the value here from 2. For this you can simply pass del. Delete del is used for all the purpose here. Let's pass here 2012 and let's see, yes, df, anyway we have get this. And if you want, there is another 2-3 other method of deleting this, and this is first of all is this. If you want to delete either this rows or column, or this columns or this rows, let's make by drop method. Let's make here we cannot assign this value because it will simply delete what. There are another method that will assign the deleted value here. A is equal to df dot drop. It will drop value by 2 method we can pass here. First of all we will make with 0 means row 2014, and I will pass axis is equal to 0, means it will delete by this. Let's see what we will get the answer here. Label content in the axis. For this something is here mistake I have done, but let's first of all make this by dropping a is equal to drop, and I will drop this value by something like this. What I want to drop, a is equal to df dot drop, and let's pass here. This is 2014 and axis is equal to 1. Let's pass, yes I have get. Let's print a. Now 2014 is removed from this value, and this will be assigned, the remaining value will be assigned in this variable. And let's see a is equal to df dot drop. Let's pass axis is equal to 0 like this. It must be this, but it is not giving me some value. Let's not see this because it will simply deleting this value. And next method is deleting the value is popping out. Here this value or assigning the value that or remaining what in the pop, it to this variable will assign the value of popped item. Let's create that first of all parameters is same. Let's make same of this. Here I want to pop out some variable. Let's say b is equal to df dot pop, or simply pass some variable. I will pass here 2014, and let's see, let's print this. It will make a value of 2014. Let's see this value, and let's make the append variable. First of all, let's change some value here. And for changing this value, we maybe have df here. Here 14 is missing because we have deleted that. Let's make again here this value. This is a df, and if I want to change 230 to 2300, then how can I change? This is by df dot ix. There is two method we can change this value, and here we can simply pass here in ix. First of all, I will pass c1. Sorry for this, c1, where I am going, c1, and I should pass the index. Sorry, this is index, and then we have to pass the column name. I will pass 2013 and is equal to, I will say 2300. Yes, let's reprint. Yes, this is 2300. This is how you can print. You can change the value here. Let's see another variable here, another type df dot loc, and same is here. We can pass here. First of all, we have to pass index c5, from where we are getting this value c5. I think, yes, we are using 5 element here, so it is giving c5. I was confused here. And let's make of 2014 and is equal to c5. Let's make 1000 df. Then let's see, this is 1000 now. This has been changed from this. This is how you can change the value. You can change any column here. We have to solve this query. I have opened this query, and we have to make that also. Let's make here df, and we have to drop this df dot, sorry for this, df dot drop. Simple, you can make here. I will make this a is equal to, and let's make it this drop. Here we have to pass here. I will drop c3, and this is of axis. This axis is equal to 0, and this is how we can print. Yes, we are getting this, and now c3 is disappear from our this is how you can drop and make this. And let's say append some value, and I will make some value like this here. I will make same here the values, but I will change all thing here. Let's make this value here like this. This is d1, d2, d3, d4 and d5. Let's make this 200, 0 and this 0. Let's make two value, and df2 is equal to pd dot frame, and we have to pass here some values. and for this let's make same here. We have to make same values here, but I think we have to make more than these values. We have to make 5 values same. Let's them ignore, we will make only 2 here. Let's make 2012 and this is, sorry for this, not is this is sales and this should be sales 4, because we are interrupting the method here and we are not, I am interrupting that. Sales 6, let's make sales 6 and this is sales 7th. We seventh and this is, now make df2 is equal to pd dot data frame and pass values. Let's make 2012 is sales 6 and 2014 is sales 7th. Now you can make this, I will make append 1 is equal to, you can make this df1 dot append, I will append here df2 and let's see, sorry for this, app1 is equal to df dot app and append df2 and this is, let's print append 1. Now it is giving us, we are appending in this df1, so it is giving us below this, and let's see what we have. No value here is 2013, we have no value and it is giving nan, and 2014 15 also it is giving. Let's see, append 2 is equal to df2 dot app and append df app2. Now it is appending, this is appending below this, but this 2013 and 15 has no value at all and it is giving us nan value. So this is how you can append this value. In next video we are going to know about the arithmetic operation that in data frame, like in the series we have already done, and you will not get more problem in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and make the channel to be grow.